how we do revaluation and also how we do depreciation in the entire assessments. So the reasons of depreciation, it's because of wear and tear. So what is wear and tear? So depreciation usually happens for our motor vehicle, which is whenever we buy a car, whenever we buy a van or a lorry, a truck or something, everything that we buy will literally have additional costing, as in insurance, services, and then also maintenance. We have to keep servicing them to make sure run well, and you will have sometimes major service, minor service, and also you will have to change certain things when it's 5 years, 3 years. You can't be just using with the same spare part sometimes. So when you have all that, it's considered falls under upkeep. So the upkeep is considered wear and tear. Okay. So to calculate the wear and tear, we have percentage basis, which is sometimes we will have 10%, 15%, 20%, and all that. Okay. And for that, we even have 4 types of method, which is straight line, double declining, units of productions, and also sum of digit. So in the very common company, we always use straight line and double declining, or either we will even say reduce in balancing method. So all these will literally have their own format. I'm not giving you a specific format. It's because of during the class, you will literally understand about the format completely. Okay. Now, why is it necessary for a business? Why is it necessary for a business to account for depreciation? Okay. Depreciation always falls under the category of non-current asset. And you have the very famous concept, okay, which is matching concept. So when I say matching concept, it's about income generated with expenses. Okay, it either falls under accrual or either main expenses. Okay, so everything that we do in accounts is actually relatable to all accounting concepts. So if you later after the class, if you sempat, you can literally Google them. You have about 10 accounting concepts. So one of the concept which is required for depreciation is matching concept. Okay. So the reason of depreciation, another thing, is also to avoid overstating the non-current asset and profit. Okay, why am I saying overstating? Is because of, let's say this year I'm buying 16,000 motor vehicle. Okay, when I'm buying motor vehicle for 16,000, this year it's okay, I can include them 16,000 in my tax form, which is before I go to my tax, I will be including them in my income statement, balance sheet, statement of profit and loss, and everything. I will have my total non-current of asset. And then I will not minus with anything, is because of I tada susut nilai. I don't have any value of depreciation. So it's only 16,000. But next year, hold on. Okay, so when you have the 16,000, the first year you include as a normal rate, it's fine because you memang kena declare. But for the second year, you just can't declare it as 16,000. You memang kena tolak dengan depreciation value, is because of, if you see here, my first year motor vehicle value is 16,000. After that, I have to minus with my depreciation to get my new value of 2016. So from 16,000, it will drop to 12,800. So if you don't show these changes in your statement of financial position, later on when you want to calculate your profit and loss, your untung will literally